So we need to see newsfeed by direction. Okay, so I forgot to subscript the positioning. So we can do subscript. Okay, and that is a return type should not be the slice of newsfeed. It should be a news list items, and we need to pass written, and it should be news list items. Okay, and object at index kind of position. Looks fine. So this error should go fast, and please go, don't come again. So looks fine, it's went off. So where is our news feed view? We can go back to our basic view which we are planning to. So guys, now we can create the UI part as already we have completed the API connection. So let's see. So what our view look like. So it's like a list view having some custom items in that, and should we scroll and click on this, the URL web view should open in the next view. So let's create the basic part now, starting from the beginning. So first I am planning to create a variable. Okay, so observe variable, which is a variable of news feed. Okay, and fine. Now in the composite property of body, we can start working on the UI elements, and we will see what UI elements we will need. So we'll start parallelly working on that. So first I will say navigation view, we need inside that one list we need which having the news feed actually. So news feed is coming. Oh, spelling is wrong, that's why it's not coming. It should be news. Sorry guys, my keyboard typing mistakes are sometimes there, so you can avoid that. So inside that, what we'll do, we'll pass the articles into for type of news list items in. Now we need on click on every list view, we need to navigate to the what we call description page, we can say. So navigation link having the destination, but the destination we have not created yet, so we need to create it that as well. So it will be simple, we can create downward somewhere here. You can create in the new file as well, or wherever you want to do, you can do that. News list item view, fine, it's a type of view. We can say give me the article, so we can create one variable which is a type of news list items, fine. And body, we need to create that. Inside that, now what should happen, it should open the URL web view. So what will happen as per the UI, you can see, click on this, it should go to the some activity or view, we can say, which having some URL code which will open the URL page actually. So we can use what we call URL web view, we already created that. So if you can see, we can already have the class for that, we can utilize that. So we can create structure URL web view, okay, which is conforming to the protocol UI view. Okay, it should not come why it is not coming representable, it should come, right? Okay, let's see, let me type it completely, might be Xcode is not happy. Type of UI, okay, code Swift UI also we need, right? It is not wrong at all, saying his, okay, confirm. Okay, now it's our call. So we can do one alias I will create, saying UI view type is equal to WK web view. Guys, use the WK web view because it is like other web view is deprecated actually if you use that. So this is the latest one recommended by Apple. So display time of URL, fine, and we can say function, okay, make UI view, correct, actually context, that should be a context, fine, and the return type should be WK web view. Looks fine, so let web view equal to WK web view, and there is nothing actually. It's like already we have multiple times we have used this code, so we know each and everything for this load view. And we can load the request URL command fast, a request saying check my URL, and that should be URL to display. And where is this C? We can remove this C. Okay, so looks fine, and return the web view. Okay, web view command fast. And one more function is there we can utilize if you want to do. You can say update UI view. As of now not required, so we can say not needed. Otherwise, okay, spelling is low. Okay, sorry guys, my spelling is also wrong. So hope you guys seen that this basic things. So I think you are, let me clean this so that it should not ask me for some errors. Build this. Let's build this. What it is saying does not confirm the protocol, a representable protocol. Why? Which method is pending? Okay, okay, make UI view. Okay, sorry guys, so actually I typed this method, so spellings, as you know, my spellings are wrong sometimes, so be careful. We need to remove this. I'm actually new in Swift UI, so you know sometimes my spellings is also wrong. Fine, so that's why Apple was asking. Let me build this again. Build field, where, okay, there we are working, right? So it should get failed. Okay, so where were we? So in the body, now we have created the URL web view, so we can pass that URL web view, and we need to pass that URL to display something was there, right? So we can say URL URL, and we need to pass the string. Now that string will be inside this variable, that is object of news list item. So we can say article dot URL. Looks fine. And some modifiers we can use. We can say h, ignoring all. Okay, you can ignore all, fine. And we can say navigation bar title also we need to give, right? Otherwise it should look blank. Navigation bar title should be article dot title. Fine, looks fine. So property opaque return type, why we are not doing that thing? So what is the issue? Okay, we have created the body. Okay, so URL web view we created, and it's fine. Declares a opaque return type. No, yeah, we are returning only one. Let me complete this, then we'll see what is the exact issue for this. I think it's correct only, but might be compiler is confused with that. So let me complete this. So we can say now destination should be news list view, correct? And with that we need to pass that article, that is a article, fine. Now we have created the list news list item view, but one more thing we are planning to put, what, it should be a news list item list view, because we need the images and to title also. If you see the design, one second, let me open that. So image and title and title, so these two will be horizontal and these two will be vertical, Fine. So let me complete one more view. So we can say struct news list item list view. That is our custom row. We are missing xibs here, right? If it is xib, you guys can play around like anything. So we can say where article of type of news list item news list item inside the body having some view type of, and inside that now we seen that now you can check into the view. This image is horizontally placed with these two titles, so we can say horizontal stack URL image view. We have not created the URL image view also first actually, so let me complete this. URL image view is nothing basically URL image view. Where is that? We need to create the structure, so we can take this Swift file, we can say URL image view. Looks fine. Okay, so now simple and fast we'll do now, because this is simple thing. We can say URL image view type of view, and now we need to start some properties which will help us to download the image and putting on that. So we can say at observed object actually we need, so we can say observed. Come man, fast, why it is not coming? Observed. Sorry, 1 second, I need to import that as well. Import, it's like a UI kit, so you need to always import that. So yeah, at the rate observe. Now come here, at least fast, where URL image model type of URL image model. Fine, we can say init with that URL string and the type of URL string. Now we need to set that statements saying URL image model is equal to URL image model and pass the URL string which we declared there. So it should be URL string, right? Looks fine. Okay, so let's create the body for this. So it's simple. So what we need, only image. In image, what we can say, UI image, having the UI image model. UI image model, URL image model. Sorry, not UI image model. Spell URL image model dot image. If there, it's okay. Else option default we can pass, and default we can do it now. So we need to create the default also. So what we can do as of now, we can say URL image view dot default image. We need to create this. So I'm putting that, and now we can create one static variable. Okay, default image having UI image, and the name should be, I don't know, I need to check that. Okay, in my assets it's there actually. I have multiple images, so I can say news icon. Okay, this looks fine. I already have some multiple images, so I will use this, right? Now it's done. So what we are saying, URL image, that okay, we have given the default image, it looks fine. And let me clean this, otherwise Xcode won't be able to compile properly. Okay, now still it is having some issues. So what happened to this? Okay, structure we have created. Default image, actually spelling should be wrong, I'm sure about that, so I will check it out. URL model dot, and not model actually, it should be image view. Okay, so and what else? Cannot assign the immutable expression to the type. Okay, so definitely, because we need to assign in this. Okay, and at the rate observer property object where sorry guys, extremely sorry. And this is like cannot convert the value of, okay, so we can ask as an image, although it can take that, but if you ask me, it's okay. Yeah, correct only, this is fine. So we are good to go to proceed further in that. So we can see now where is our UI feed view model is there, and one more is there, feed view. I will arrange it properly. So where were we? So we have created that news list items. Now we are creating the items. So where is that? Okay, so we can say image. Now we have created that image view, right? So we can say image view. Okay, and we need to pass the URL string, and we have that article. So from the article we can take the help to URL to image. Okay, and we can say vertical stack dot alignment. We can use it should be leading, and spacing I think not required, and content also not required. Okay, and inside that I am planning to put two text which is in a vertical way. So we can say, we can take the again article object dot title. Why it is not coming? Because it should be into double quotes. Dot title, and we can give the modifier saying font should be I think it should be, we can say headline, but it looks fine because it's a headline part. And so TY having this beautiful feature, like it's like, you know, we can take a help of these predefined fonts. Okay, and we can say article dot article, sorry, not search, article dot author. Looks fine. If it is not, we can say there is no author. Looks fine, right? And similarly we can set the modifier saying it should be a type of subheadline. Fine. Static member leading. Okay, what is the problem? No problem, right? Simply sometimes they will do overactions. It's required, not required, right? And why this is creating the problem? List view, news list item view. It's simple. We are saying we need to create a view having the article function declares an opaque return type. Where is it? Opaque return type. The body. Okay, let's ignore this as of now. We'll fix it once we will complete this above, right? So now our main motto is to create the articles. We have to complete this part. So we can say now we have created the rows. So list news, we have created this one, right? So we can say passing the article inside that. Okay, it will take argument of article, and we can say on appear. We need to call one method called same news feed dot what was the name of that, load more articles with a current, and current should be the article object. Okay, and obviously we need to give the navigation bar title. It should be, what was it, Apple news, right? Okay, so looks fine, but I'm not sure why function declares an opaque. Something is wrong with this guy. Function declares an opaque. Okay, let me comment this, guys, for time being. At least we can see what we did is correct or not, because I'm sure definitely it won't be too much easy. Sometimes it happen. Test. Okay, let me run this now. So let's see how it is looking. Build success. Oh, okay, so it's saying I don't have the simulator, so I will run in iPhone 6 Plus. Fine. Hello world. Where is our one second, I think some issue is there with the simulator. So let me close this and I will start the new simulator. So let's see, it's running now. So I think it should, so at least some data should come. Okay, oh ho ho, superb. So it's very big. And oh, okay, so I think we forgot to complete the body part here because some issues are coming, so we can say resizable. Okay, so we need to add some modifiers. Dot resizable. Why it is not coming resizable? Okay, and some issues there. Let me build it. I think my Xcode is not working properly, so let me complete at least. So although it's lucky I remember all these syntax so by typing many times. And we can say frame width should be I can say 100, and height should be I must say 100 will be fine for us, right? And align it properly so it's look good. So let me run it again now. Let's see. I think this time it should work fine. So hopefully it's very easy to understand. It's very basic concept which we did. So yeah, it should come work fine now. 100. Oh, superb guys, superb, looking fine, right? And you can see it's loading. See now it will load again. So it's load more activity we are planning to do. So now click on this. It should be test because we have given in the news feed view this test. So we can try to complete this as well. I don't know what is the exact issue for this because it should work. Might be my Xcode is not supporting, so that's why it's showing me some errors.